Nigeria's political landscape is shifting again, this time through the ballot box. Fresh election results are in from the nation's capital and two major states, and the presidency has now spoken. Tonight, attention turns to the Federal Capital Territory, Kano and Rivers State. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has congratulated the winners of Saturday's local council elections in the Federal Capital Territory, as well as the by-elections held in Kano State and Rivers State. In a statement released on Sunday, the president urged the victorious candidates to govern with humility, patriotism, and dedication, reminding them that the mandate given by the people is not a trophy but a sacred trust. According to the president, leadership is not about celebration but service. He called on the winners to put the people first and see governance as a duty, not a privilege. It was a message aimed not just at politicians but at Nigerians watching closely. President Tinubu also praised the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, commending what he described as remarkable achievements in the territory. Those achievements, the president noted, have translated into political dividends for the ruling All Progressives Congress. In politics, performance and power often walk hand in hand. The president went further to congratulate the APC's national leadership as well as the party structures in Kano and Rivers, applauding members for what he described as hard-earned victories at the polls. But he did not stop there. Tinubu also commended the NIEC, security agencies, and Nigerian voters for the peaceful and orderly conduct of the elections. He praised the discipline shown by contestants and voters alike, stressing that democracy grows stronger when participation is vibrant and competition is respected. For a country often scarred by election-related violence, the calm atmosphere offered a rare sense of reassurance. Still, the president acknowledged that Nigeria's democratic gains remain fragile. He urged NIEC to continue improving its processes, warning, indirectly, that credibility must be protected if public trust is to survive. Because, in Nigeria, one flawed election can erase years of progress. INIC conducted chairmanship and councillorship elections across the 6 area councils of the FCT. In Rivers State, by-elections were held in the Ahwada East 2 and Kana 2 constituencies. In Kano State, voters went to the polls in the Kano Municipal and Ungogo constituencies. INIC declared the APC winner in the Abuja Municipal Area Council as well as in Kwali and Buari Area Councils. But the story did not end there. In Gwagwalada Area Council, PDP candidate Mohammed Kasim emerged victorious. According to the returning officer, Philip Agben, Kasim polled 22,165 votes, defeating APC candidate Yahaya Shehu, who scored 17,818 votes. A reminder that even in victory, power remains contested. Tonight, Nigeria reflects on another electoral chapter. Peaceful, competitive, but politically charged. The results bring celebration for some, disappointment for others, and responsibility for all. As the nation looks toward future elections, including the road to 2027, one truth remains clear. Democracy is not secured by winning alone. It is sustained by how power is used after victory. And Nigerians will be watching.